Here we are on lesson 4, and we're just going to compare the bar graph and the pictograph. So we're looking at two graphs here. They both are showing exactly the same data or the same information. One is just a pictograph, the other is a bar graph. Okay, look at the pictograph first. We see a title, Trees Planted in Victory Park. You can have the same title over on the bar graph. Trees planted in Victory Park. Same information, right? We do have kind of a vertical axis here. And we have a little title there. Species is what that says. Species, which is a type of tree. Species of tree, a type of tree. So you can list them. We've got hickory, we've got oak, we got willow, we got birch. And then there is a key at the bottom, and the key shows you that the symbol that we're using, which looks like a tree, represents 20 trees. So one of those symbols represents 20 trees. So when we look at hickory, we can count the symbols, 1, 2, 3, and then multiply by 20. 3 times 20, that's 60. Okay, take a look over at the bar graph where we've done basically the same thing. We have a vertical axis, we have a horizontal axis, and we look at the scale. It seems like the scale, we start with 0 on that first line, it skips, and then we got a 10, it skips, it's 20. So isn't our scale 1 square equals 5 trees? That's what it looks like to me. Okay, so we're kind of skip counting by 5s. So if I go to hickory right here, I can see that it's 60. This line ends up at 60. All right, so I'm showing the same information. My bar graph does have title for each of the axes. We've got number of trees on the horizontal. We've got species of trees on the vertical axes. Okay, so they're showing exactly the same information. One is just with pictures. It really doesn't matter which one you choose. If you prefer to draw pictures, you can use a pictograph. If you prefer to have the bar graph there and the numbers very plainly in front of you, it doesn't matter. Choose the one that you like, unless your teacher tells you to do a certain kind.